I'm the villain in this picture.
You're coming out of this way, the very idea. Oh boy, while he was a big worm, he was headlong. Betcha. Don't you know you'll catch your death a cold? What, a cold? Oh, Ma, I won't catch it. Choo! I told you so, I told you so. Now, right there in bed you stay. I'll get Dr. Quack right away.
While the mother's away, the weasel will play. That's a good one. Now, you folks pardon me just a minute, and I'll make a quick change. Not a bad disguise, huh? Now for a meal.
Who's there?
It's Dr. Quack.
Boy, that's nervous. Come in, Doctor.
Say, ah.
It's Willie the Weasel. Hey, it's Louis Paul.
Now I got you behind the 8 ball.
It's Wilbur, Doctor. Terrible cold. Hurry. Achoo! I'm cooling.
Ha ha ha!